So in today's install video, I'll be working with Beauty Forever Hair's 22-inch Jerry Curl highlighted wig. The density of this wig is 150 and the frontal is 13x4. And I cut the combs out of this wig and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Starting by cutting my ear tabs off, and this wig fits so perfectly to my head. I only had to cut off a tiny bit. And then now I'm cutting off the extra lace because it makes it easier as well. And now I'm just spraying my Ebin lace adhesive spray onto my forehead / cap area. And I'm gonna do that all throughout my hairline. And then I will be blow drying it on cool for about 1 to 2 minutes each layer. And I did about 2 to 3 layers. So now I'm applying the wig to the adhesive spray, and I will be working in sections, starting with the middle and pressing the comb into the lace so that the frontal is secured. Now I'm going to use some more of that adhesive spray and spray it along the hairline of the wig, and use an elastic band to ensure that the lace is melted and to prevent any lifting. And I let that sit for about 5 minutes while blow drying on cool. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys the wig before I style it because it was giving very much Beyonce. I loved the curl and the color of this wig, and the lace was perfect. I give this wig probably about a 10 out of 10 overall. Alright, so I did more baby hairs than I usually do this time because I felt like it would look cute with the style I went for. So I'm just sectioning off the hair, and then I will be cutting and styling the baby hairs. Alright, so now it is time for me to actually style this hair. So I went for the two little pigtails at the top of your head kind of style. I don't know what to call it. I guess it's just two pigtails. So I'm just sectioning off the hair, making sure everything is neat. So I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb and just pressing it out and making sure that there's no track showing or anything. And then I will be putting the hair into ponytails. I wanted to put little cute butterfly clips in my head because I had a butterfly dress on, but they wasn't sticking. They wasn't staying in my head, so I just took them out. But I will be continuing this process with this next pigtail, and the look will be finished. So I will come back on here when I'm all done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Everything that I used today will be linked in the description box as well as on my social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
Keep on feeling, but you can't break my broken heart.